Hello. So this is my Python project over the summer. So it's about coronavirus. So this I'm showing you right now is coronavirus around June. So, and the genes of the coronavirus in June. So this is the genes right here. So the project was I had to compare two coronavirus genes and see if they were different. So this is the first one. The second coronavirus gene is this one. It's from Wuhan. So around December 2019. And then they had this gene, these genes. So I had to compare both coronavirus genes and see how many different genes have mutated. So I wrote a script in Python. This is the script. I'm gonna run it. So the script is for counting how many ACGT there are and then comparing them and to see how many are the same and how many are different. Okay, so the length of the first one, which is how many letters there are, is 29,870 genes. And the other one from Wuhan, December, is 29,903 genes. And the differences, so we get the Wuhan one genes and then the DEU genes, and then we compare them one by one. And then the extra genes we don't compare them. So the differences in total, there are only 8 genes that are different. And we also calculated the percent of genes that are the same. So it's 99.973217274857772. So that's the percentage of the same genes. And this is the code. So we copy all of the genes here into a file, and then we delete all the spaces using Python, all the spaces and the numbers, and then we compare them. We get just the letters, and then we compare them. That's it.